Today I want to speak directly to you, the people of Nigeria.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I got Finankas Nora. When I say, can be a kuchapo, we will be young Majayan for online, say, can be a call to Moniman like issue update. No, the thing the boutique, former president of United States, and before the Colonna, each be election. Each be election. Get to vote. G to vote. Obe chaka Nigeria demwa. Obunike condition Nigeria ugogi ije to vote. To vote go off ma. To off ma. To off ma ti kwa no mumugo. Ati kwa no mumugo. To kwa yen wa akume. Can now go because create dividend na chigo sigi. Create video a former president of America uncle. President Barack Obama. Just clear you, yeah, clear.
Speak directly to you, the people of Nigeria. Nigeria is a great nation, and you can be proud of the progress you've made. Together, you've won your independence, emerged from military rule, and strengthened democratic institutions. You've strived to overcome divisions and turn Nigeria's diversity into a source of strength. You've worked hard to improve the lives of your families and to build the largest economy in Africa. Now you have a historic opportunity to help write the next chapter of Nigeria's progress by voting in the upcoming elections. For elections to be credible, they must be free, fair, and peaceful. All Nigerians must be able to cast their votes without intimidation or fear. So I call on all leaders and candidates to make it clear to their supporters that violence has no place in democratic elections, and that they will not incite, support, or engage in any kind of violence before, during, or after the votes are counted. I call on all Nigerians to peacefully express your views and to reject the voices of those who call for violence. And when elections are free and fair, it is the responsibility of all citizens to help keep the peace, no matter who wins. Successful elections and democratic progress will help Nigeria meet the urgent challenges you face today. Hello,